EZVIZ is a well-known brand in the security camera industry that introduces multiple new models annually. As the need for indoor surveillance systems with smart capabilities and the ability to offer reassurance increases, EZVIZ has developed a cost-effective option at a price slightly above £30. This is the EZVIZ CP1 Pro. This new camera offers a plethora of features that users can truly take advantage of, including a 2K resolution, one-touch cooling, color night vision, sound detection, human detection, and much more. So the burning question is this camera any good? And with that all said, let's first start by unboxing this product and see what we're in for. As you can imagine, the unboxing experience, well, it is a little basic, but it is to be expected for the price. Along with the camera, we do get a power adapter, power cable, a drill template, a mounting plate, the screw fittings, and a very basic user manual. Now, when it comes to setup, I can't deny EZVIZ has always been good at producing an effortless installation with their products. Everything is done by simply using the EZVIZ app. Once you have created an account, you can simply go in and add a camera. Power on and plug the power cable into the camera and then plug the power adapter into an outlet. Once power has been achieved, ensure that the LED indicator flashes blue, and this just simply indicates that the camera is ready for Wi-Fi configuration. If this isn't happening, press and hold the reset button for 4 seconds and this will force start this. Back on the home screen within the EZVIZ app, we are going to tap the cross on the upper right hand corner to go to the scan QR code. Now we just simply need to scan the QR code on the quick start guide cover or the body of the camera. And that really is it, as simple as that. Now what's great about the CP1 Pro is you can have this pretty much anywhere. If you want a permanent location, you can use the ceiling mount. This is a simple bracket that can be screwed onto the wall and then you can easily slide the camera into it. One of the most appealing aspects of this camera is its lightweight and compact design, allowing it to be placed on any surface. This is likely the intended use. It's nice to have the wall mount, however just being able to pop it on a surface and then move it when you want, well, it is much easier. Now let's talk about the camera's abilities in a bit more detail, because despite the cheap asking price, this is packed with its fair share of surprises. In regards to storage, this is all done via the SD card slot with support of up to 512GB. However, there are subscription options within the app, but personally, well, the onboard storage is more than good enough for light to moderate indoor monitoring. So when it comes to picture quality, I have to say the CP1 Pro impresses. Although it is a standard 4MP module and 2560 by 1440p, or 2.5K as they like to call it, the image is rather sharp and vibrant with minimal noise. You can indeed capture video at a maximum of 30 frames per second, which is more than sufficient for indoor security footage. The EZVIZ app offers a convenient way to connect to your CP1 Pro camera from anywhere and at any time. One of the most valuable features of this app is its advanced AI capabilities. When you activate the human detection feature, the CP1 Pro camera can automatically track a person's movements and follow them in real time. This functionality is made possible by the camera's 360-degree movement capabilities, which enable it to cover a wide area and ensure that the person who is being monitored is always in view. This feature is particularly useful for monitoring your home or office space, as it allows you to keep a watchful eye on any suspicious activity. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or simply away from home, you can rest assured that the CP1 Pro camera will capture every moment of action. With Starlight Color Night Vision and Spotlight Color Night Vision, you have the option to activate the Smart Color Night Vision mode through the app. Now, when an object is detected to be moving at night, the spotlight will automatically turn on and stay on for 1 minute, just allowing you to see in full colour. Now, after 1 minute, the spotlight will turn off and the camera will switch to Starlight Color Night Vision, which is the standard black and white. Now, if you prefer not to use this function, you can easily turn it off in the app and only use the Starlight mode. The choice is really up to you, because not only when that light turns on does it deter people if there is a possible intruder, but it also allows you to capture everything in colour so you can pick up on every facial feature. Now, the camera's motion detection capabilities are impressive, especially for its price range. It is intelligent enough to detect, zoom in, and follow a moving person, allowing you to see details and the entire picture simultaneously. At a full-time zoom, you can get a digital enhancement on someone's face, seeing all their facial features. This could be great for a baby monitoring device or keeping an eye on what's going on in any space. Not to mention, as a pet camera. In addition to motion detection, the indoor camera comes with sound detection too. Whenever the camera detects abnormally high decibel sounds such as a baby crying or a dog barking, it will instantly send an alert to your phone. This way you can be first to know what is happening at home and reassure your loved ones promptly. You get a notification with the option to go straight to the live feed to see what's going on. Now, along with sound detection, we also have a mic and speaker so you can actually communicate with your family and pets clearly and instantly, no matter where you are. The camera also has a built-in button that allows for a one-touch calling. When clicked, we can actually have a two-way conversation between whoever is in front of the camera. This can be useful for those who want a reliable emergency contact source within their home. And it works pretty well. When you pair the ability to be able to communicate through the camera with the 360-degree auto zoom tracking, well, you're able to speak to anyone and engage with them at all times. No matter where they are in the room, you can keep an eye on them. The CP1 Pro has a unique customizable patrol feature that allows the camera to pan and tilt automatically, effectively eliminating any blind spots and ensuring complete coverage of your property. With the customizable patrol pattern, you can tailor your camera's movement to suit your specific needs. This means that you can set the camera to focus on the areas of your home that are the most vulnerable to the intruders or other security threats. You simply set up the 4 preset points and the camera will automatically do patrols and alert you of anything. Now, all in all, the EZVIZ CP1 Pro is a camera that offers great value for its price. The camera captures great quality images during both day and night time, and additionally the motion tracking and 360-degree auto zooming features provide added peace of mind. So at this asking price, well, it is certainly something to consider. And with that all said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.